Our app is designed to be deleted. We exist to help our users find love. Welcome back, user Nyeem. Our algorithm paired you with match 347. Based on your profile, we concluded that this is the ultimate pair for you, and therefore, you can now delete the app. Do you consent? So, you'd like us to pair you with yet another match? No. Your request has been denied. We've paired you with 347 suitable matches. And that isn't enough for you. Our app is designed to be deleted. But when it comes to players and fuckboys like you, we are programmed to delete the user.
What the hell does that mean?